In this video, I'll show you how to create WPS documents. The WPS file documents are used to prepare the data about companies' employees with their pay amount for the specific pay period or for other payments such as vacations and sick pay, final pay on employment termination. For each document, you can generate an actual WPS file in a CIF format that will be sent to the authorized bank via the WPS system. This functionality is available only if Enable WPS option is selected under Administration, HR and Payroll settings. You can also select a default directory to save all the WPS files. This functionality, once enabled, you can access the files under Service Tools of HR and Payroll module. Click on Create option to create a new document. The main tab is used to provide general information about a WPS file. In the bank account field, you can select the entity's bank account to be used as a source of payment to the employees. Only the bank account for which the use for WPS checkbox is selected should be used. For example, moving back to the WPS file, the bank routing code field is populated with the routing code of the bank of the selected bank account. In the registration period field, select the pay period for which payments to the employee will be deposited to the bank. In the entity field, select an entity of your company for which this document is being prepared. In the department field, select the department of this payment. In the reference number field, enter the number of the document in the WPS. In the responsible field, you can select an employee who's responsible for this document. In the comment text box, you can provide any additional information that is relevant to this document. Click Fill Employees to create a list of employees of a specified entity and department, and it should have a non-zero balance in the selected pay period. This list only includes those employees who has Include in WPS file option selected under the master data, that is AMAR. The option is enabled Include in WPS salary file. For each employee, you can view the following data: the labor ID, it is the employee identifier in the WPS system, the bank routing code, the code of the bank in the WPS system, the account number, the bank account of the employee, the fixed amount, it is the amount of the accruals and deduction for which the used for WPS option is selected, which are marked as fixed on the accruals and deduction types form. Amount variables, it is the amount of accruals and deduction for which used for WPS option is selected, which are marked as variable on the accruals and deduction type form. Days on leave, the number of leave of absences days you have to enter manually. Once the list is populated, you can edit if needed or you can add if required. Once all the details are filled, save the document. After saving the document, you can generate the actual WPS file by clicking the option Save WPS File. These are then sent to the required bank or exchange centers to make the transfer to the respective employees, and it will be saved in CIF format. The document will look further like this. That's how you can create WPS document. Thanks for watching the video.